Hello, I'm Dazi, GIS Technical Account Manager at what3words. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words ArcGIS Locator in ArcGIS Pro. You'll need your what3words API key to complete this tutorial. ArcGIS Pro automatically loads all the locators that you've added to your ArcGIS Online account. First, the what3words ArcGIS Locator must be added to your ArcGIS Online account. To search for 3words addresses, in ArcGIS Pro, click on Map tab. In the ArcGIS ribbon, the Locate button will then be available to search for locations. If you click on the button next to the search, you'll be able to see the available locators. The what3words locator should be present. You can then search for 3word addresses in the input field. Suggestions for the 3word address using our auto-suggest functionality would appear after you begin typing the third word. Click the result to zoom to the 3word address. And that's how you search for 3word address. Now let's try discovering 3word addresses. Right-click on the map and click on What's Here. This will then display all the addresses from the available locators. Select the what3words result to view the 3word address and coordinates. And that's how you use what3words ArcGIS Locator within ArcGIS Pro. Thanks for watching.